Hello and welcome to this screencast of the PoolParty video tutorial series. In this one I would like to show you another feature, how to save time and cost when creating and extending a thesaurus. In another video I showed you how to make use of linked data, how to harvest linked data to further extend a thesaurus. In this one I would like to show you how to make use of existing document repositories to further extend a thesaurus. This little example is a thesaurus about presidents of the United States. It contains places, events during several presidencies, of course the people themselves, and also organizations which have some links to presidents. Okay, now in the next step I would like to do an analysis of a couple of documents. In that case it's about biographies of presidents, so therefore I create a new corpus and I call it bio. And now I can upload or do web crawling if I like to create a corpus. So therefore I add some documents, in that case from a hard disk. I've prepared some documents about biographies of presidents. So I can select those and upload them. Okay, you can see 24 files are now uploaded. That's also seen here on the dashboard. You see the overall file size, the number of documents, when the actual corpus was created, and you can also see no corpus analysis has been performed yet. So I will do that right now. So now all the documents are tagged automatically with concepts from the thesaurus. So you can see that right here. If you go to the corpus documents, you see all of them here. So for instance, let's go to Kennedy. So here you see places which were found in the document, like Dallas or Boston or Cuba. You can see down here all the tags which were generated automatically. You can also see, for instance, that Kennedy has something to do with Harvard. You can see, for instance, which events happened or what was important during his presidency, like Alliance for Progress and things like that, or Cuban crisis. Okay, so several types of entities were extracted. And that helps us, if you have a large document collection, to see which of the concepts are mentioned most frequently in all of the documents. And on the other side, you have the so-called free terms. So those are the concepts from the thesaurus, and those are the free terms from, let's say, pure statistical analysis. And those free terms could become concepts in the thesaurus. So that's the other action item which is supported by the corpus analysis feature of PoolParty. Okay, so that's the first thing I wanted to show you. The second are the lists created by a corpus analysis. First of all, the extracted concepts. So here you see that's the overall statistics, how often a certain concept was mentioned in the whole corpus. That's the one list, and the other one is to find out how often or how relevant, you can see White House, for instance, was detected 22 times in the document corpus, and it has the highest relevancy ranking also. So that could be a sign that it should be added to the thesaurus. Therefore I can mark it as important. I could do that also with, let's say, World War or Soviet Union or World War II. So I have now 4 such candidates marked. I can filter them down here right now. And now I would like to say, okay, White House, for instance, which is now here a candidate term, should be connected with Washington. Since Washington DC is the place where the White House is located, I can say it's a narrow term, and I add it right now. Okay, now it's integrated in the thesaurus. You can see it's now not a free term anymore, it became a concept. Okay, so that was a quick overview over how the reference corpus analysis can help you to further elaborate your thesaurus. Thanks a lot for your attention.